technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, the first half of the trading session, we saw the Nifty just cooling off a bit. However, in the second half of the trading session, the action once again picked up and the Nifty ended the day on a positive note of 54 points for the day. The market breadth was also positive with 845 advances to 637 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had Larsen & Toubro, Hindustan Unilever, the entire cement pack, Ultratech, Ambuja, Grasim. From the private banking space, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank were some of the big pullers for today's trading session, while ITC for the second consecutive day was the largest dragger for Nifty, along with Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, ONGC, Bharti, all closed with losses in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the third consecutive trading session. It is trading along the daily upper Bollinger Band and the prices are moving along with that. The daily momentum indicator is having a positive crossover. Our sense is that the positive momentum should continue on the upside. So we continue to maintain a positive bias on the Nifty for a target of 9200. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that after opening with a gap up, it saw some cooling off. However, it took support around that 80 odd kind of a level, and thereafter continued to inch higher throughout the day. So now 88, 85, which is today's low, becomes a crucial level to watch out for. A little sign of concern here is that on account of this high volatility that we have been seeing since last two trading sessions, the hourly momentum indicator is having a negative crossover. However, we feel that this could be on account of the large price movement that we saw in yesterday's the last trading session, and in the morning first half of today's trading session. So there is no real weightage that should be given. If there is some sideways consolidation, that should be used as a buying opportunity for traders. So no real sign of concern as of now on the hourly charts as well. So the positive momentum continues at 9200 should be the next level to watch out for. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed with gains in today's trading session. Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, all the major heavyweights of the Bank Nifty. Apart from ICICI Bank, most of the banking stocks like Axis, IndusInd Bank performed in today's trading session. From the PSU lot as well, we had Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank chipping in with gains in today's trading session. So no real sign of concern for Bank Nifty as well. Until we get a daily negative close, it should be clearly on the way upside. On the upside, 20,333 and 20,600 can act as crucial resistances. On the downside, 19,750 and 19,440 are crucial supports. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. We expect higher levels and expect the positive momentum to continue on the upside. For the Nifty, crucial resistance on the upside is 8996, which is the all-time high, and above that we expect 9200, which is our short-term target. On the downside, 8885, which is today's low, and below that 8841, which is around that 20 and 40 hourly moving averages are crucial supports. So that's all for the day. Thank you.